Okay. Yeah, all right. We'll be about 2.5 hours. Okay. See you then. Bye. Bye. Right, we've done it. We're going to see a car. Something very, very special. Something that you don't see every day. I'm going to sell the Jeep and we're going to get, hopefully, something very, very special. So, come with us. You're going to love this. We're en route on the horrible M11. Just come through tons of rain for some reason.
First time it's rained for about 2 months, isn't it?
Yeah. And in all this distance, we're halfway, we've seen one nice car.
And it was a 50s American truck. Very nice.
Yeah, so we've got the bug. Going to Santa Pod was the penny drop moment. If you saw that video, see that made me realise that there's more to life than just A to B. I knew it anyway, but you know, having a decent car, something special, something that's more than just a car. It's a lifestyle, the things that go with it. So we're going to see this incredible car.
Yeah, I think it might be an eye-opening moment, really. What a...
Yeah. This is terrible.
Oh dear. He's lost the microphone. Yeah. This is the third microphone he's lost in the last month.
Oh no.
So where could it be? It's still connected, so
is it?
It's obviously here.
Was it running on me?
Oh. Hello.
Oh, it is, I see it. Huh? It's there, look.
Is it?
Yeah. Behind the... There.
Yay! Well done, Darcy.
Yeah.
Well done, Darcy.
Got it?
It's here, look.
Yay!
How's it in that? It's literally... What? I can't even get to it.
Is it in the other...
It's probably magnetised.
Is it under the thing? Yay!
Well done. Right, I'll attach it to something that won't come off this time. That's the one thing about this Jeep though, is, I mean, as a car that does everything, it does everything, but it beeps at you all blinking time.
Yeah.
And
Why is it beeping for?
Oh, it beeps at everything. You can't see past this, so that's one of the reasons for selling as well. But it just doesn't satisfy your soul, does it? This is, a lot of modern vehicles are the same, including motorbikes. That they're so good that they have zero character, zero charm, zero personality. And that's what I'm looking for in motorbikes and cars. Right, it's right in front of me, oh my God. What a car.
Bloody hell.
Just look at this.
That's incredible.
Oh, crumbs. That is something else. Chevrolet Bel Air, 1955. Oh, holy moly. Oh my God. Look at that. It's got a few little marks on the paint coming through.
Yeah, it has here as well.
It's not cool cores,
No.
but underneath is sound. It's not rusty.
No, you've just got a few
It's
sort
been
of
looked after.
paint imperfections, haven't you?
Yeah, at some point that's probably going to bubble through, isn't
You
it?
can
And then-
see where it's had a sort of like here and there touch up. And before we carry on looking at the car, we just wanted to say a quick few words from our sponsor, Autodoc. Now, everyone watching this video likely owns a car, and it's inevitable that something probably will go wrong with it, or you need some oil or something like that. And searching for car parts can be really difficult, but Autodoc is the leading online retailer of car parts, and it's very simple to search for parts. I've gone on there and looked for some parts for my Jaguar XJR. I can put in the car, put in the number, the year, and it will only show me parts that fit my car. So if you're just searching on Google, you'll end up with, you know, hundreds of results that are just random parts that don't actually fit your car. Even if it's a rare part you're looking for, they stock rare parts as well. So if you want to make your life easier when you need something for your car, click the link in the description and use our code on the screen now for 5% off at checkout. I love that clock.
This is the thing, isn't it? Inside is something else. It's got that lovely smell of old car.
Yeah.
Seat, Darcy. It's so comfortable.
Wow, bench seats.
You get 3 people in the front.
Yeah.
Feeling
Yeah,
like
you can,
6
yeah.
people.
I mean, you wouldn't be able to turn the steering wheel with your knees.
No. If the clock works. So
I suppose you can't move the seat, can you?
No.
Is where it is.
Oh, I don't know. I suppose not. No, that's the thing, isn't it? Can I fit in it and drive it?
That would
help, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that's a big question.
Let me put this microphone in here.
The steering wheel's huge.
Do you think is it in good enough condition? Because at some point it's going to need a respray, isn't it? How much will that cost?
Yeah, that's the question.
Can I start it?
Yeah.
I better see what smoke comes out the back.
Yeah,
Can
so I
you
go
check?
to the back.
Yeah.
No.
Really? Where's the key?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to hear it.
That's it.
That in there, really?
Yeah, yeah.
350
So
cubic
it's all
inch V8
Is it a
Chevy.
neutral?
Sounds
Give it
good.
gentle. That's it. It's still cold, isn't it?
Oh my god, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Sounds really good.
How do we pop the hood?
You're on a 55. Which one is it? That one. Yeah.
Okay.
You've got the latch. See it? There.
It just stays up on its own.
So it just pops up.
Would it be just on the steering wheel?
I can hear the horn.
Yeah, that must be separate, mustn't it?
Yeah, that's loud, isn't it?
Or was that it?
No, that can't be, can it?
Do you think that's the horns?
No. That's really loud. Oh, that's it. It's got a Dixie horn.
There's some more switches under
Oh,
there.
that's fantastic. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Does that matter? It's up. 70-year-old car does.
I know. I mean, you could have it resprayed eventually.
But then, if it's too perfect, you wouldn't want to go anywhere.
No, that's the thing, isn't it? I mean, it's good enough, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's only when you start getting a magnifying glass out that you think, sounds fantastic.
You wouldn't need to change that.
No, you don't. Absolutely not. Oh, it's beautiful. It's such a beautiful shape, isn't it?
Absolutely stunning, isn't it?
Absolutely stunning.
We keep saying that, don't we? That's our trademark phrase.
Hello.
Yeah, you get the whole family in this.
Take 6.
Yeah. Legally. Legally, would it take 6? I wonder, does it say 6 on
No
the...
seatbelts.
Yeah, you could, couldn't you?
Yeah, you can.
Right,
So
so
legally, do you not have to have seat belts?
No.
No.
It's pre-1972.
the handbrake's on, is it? Or
No, it's off.
Okay, so just got to
Feels
go.
wrong. Feels
Put
weird.
it towards you and
Feels
then
wrong
drop
not
it
having a
down.
seatbelt.
That's
I
it.
wouldn't want
There
to
you
go
go.
too fast.
No.
It's that easy.
Handbrake on the left, isn't it?
Steering wheel's big, isn't it?
Oh, that noise.
So the people didn't get rid of it because they think something's going to go wrong?
No.
You never know.
I've put a battery on it. No, he had it a while. People change these cars, they get it out of their system and go on and say, he fancied a hot rod.
Yeah.
And he's ended up buying a 32 Ford Roadster. So,
So it does scrape the arches. But front or front, I suppose, wouldn't it?
Yeah. When you turn, yeah.
Really? Okay. Well, it's really nice.
Good.
The heart says yes, but I'm just worried about that scraping the wheel arch. And a bit of a...
Is it just down on those?
yeah.
how low, much lower would it be than standard then?
Oh, I would have thought 2 inches.
Yeah. What do you think?
I like it. It sounds lovely.
It does,
But I'm not very good at making decisions like that. I think it started up that Chevy truck to get it out the
Oh,
way.
it is, that's what it is.
Yeah. It's so big.
Look at that.
Oh my god. That's stunning, isn't it?
stunning car, isn't it? 1960. Oh boy.
Wow.
Oh my God.
I love this interior.
Yeah.
That's nice.
You'll find this a lot more over the road than
Really?
this is still on cross bars.
Yeah.
That makes a big difference. That is planted for an old 50s American car.
Really?
Which do you prefer the look of? That or the Bel
I think
Air?
I prefer the look of the Bel Air.
Yeah, kind of know what you mean.
God, it's nice though.
It is nice.
Oh, it's difficult now. I think my heart's in the Bel Air.
The Bel Air would be a better car for you to drive
Yeah.
because that is a plodder.
Yeah.
And if you had that, you would end up changing the tyres. You'd end up putting a grand's worth of
Yeah.
radials on it.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's
Yeah, that's part
Chevelle's
of the
lovely.
collection I bought.
Oh really?
Actually, Kawasaki.
Is it?
Wow.
Oh right.
Oh, yeah, is that a
800 engine or something.
800? 650?
650.
Wow, that's nice.
Yes.
I bet that sounds good.
Yeah. Truck.
Yeah, that's got modern
Holy.
Dodge Challenger running gear in it.
Has it? Oh my god.
Yeah.
I bet that's quick.
Blimey. There might be something else here we like. We were thinking about
This
a
is
Mustang,
lovely.
but I don't know.
I've got one.
Would the Mustangs be
Nova.
like better condition, better driving than the Bel Air? Or is it just because it's a Mustang, it's got the bit of, because it's a Mustang, it's more money?
There's still an old American.
Still,
It depends what they've got
Yeah.
in them running gear wise. You
Yeah.
can make them handle and
Yeah.
stop better.
Lovely bar.
So I was just talking about your wife.
Oh, really?
She's got it going in the film
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Beekeeper 2.
Really?
Huge. Oh my god.
You can't really see the size of it. It's 7 ton of fully armoured
Oh my god. That's insane.
assault weapon.
It's
It's called a Gurkha.
Is it?
Pterodine. Yeah.
Yeah, we did see that.
Bloody hell.
That is bigger than a Hummer.
Wow. This is awesome.
All sorts of old bits and bobs.
What a place you've got.
Yeah.
Barn's lovely, isn't it?
Wow.
Yeah, barns on it.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
Gosh.
Wow.
Oh, that fastback.
Old
Oh my
cars.
God.
Yeah, fastback's nice.
Oh god, that is nice.
Yeah, that is a good colour.
That really is.
Isn't that the one I did mention that one, didn't I, when I phoned you or
Yeah.
that was the, oh my God.
Wow. That is incredible.
Really
Do we want a Mustang?
clean old thing.
Is it
Wow.
open? It won't go off it.
It's got no back seats there. I suppose you don't in the
I think-
fastback.
does it
Did
lift
they
up?
come with seats?
Oh, it does. Hey, look.
Fold up rear seat.
Oh, they
Yeah,
fold
look at
up.
that.
Oh, wow.
No, it's 2+2.
Oh, excellent.
Crumbs.
That's
a
clever,
good
isn't it?
design, Isn't it?
Yeah. Bloody hell.
Oh, crumbs. That's nice.
Wow.
Oh dear.
Running right as well.
Really?
Oh wow. Would this be good? It's only 2 seats though, isn't it?
What do you think then about the Chevy?
I love it. I love it to bits. It is the right car for me, 100%. But that one, because the wheel scrapes the arch when you turn, because it's been lowered slightly, I wouldn't want that to happen. And some of the paint work potentially, could bubble through in time.
There's, the experience of a car like that is just unbelievable compared to a modern car. A modern car gives you no feedback, no character, nothing, no soul at all.
None whatsoever.
That engine is just
The engine was sweet. That was a perfect engine.
so nice.
Yeah, I mean, it may be just little things. But I mean, we're going to sleep on it anyway. We might change our mind tomorrow.
No, you will.
But it's not change it against that. I want a Bel Air.
Yeah,
Whether it's that one or not, I don't know. But we'll see.
yeah.